Just before the newscast. It's really nice out today.
I know. Temperature is very comfortable, and the evenings have been really nice. Even though the mornings are kind of gray and dreary, the evenings have been wonderful temperature-wise, and it's still in the 60s even at this hour right now. We're looking at partly clear skies already. The cloud cover working its way back in. We had a brief couple of hours there where we saw mostly clear conditions here in town, but again, we're expecting mostly cloudy to overcast skies early on your Sunday morning. Here's a live look from our 360 tower camera. Notice it's moving a little bit. We actually have a little more wind this evening. Right now, 66 degrees in Austin. By 6 a.m., 60 degrees. Even could see a little bit of that patchy drizzle for all of you gathering for the marathon early tomorrow morning. But by noon, a mostly cloudy sky. Starting to see the cloud cover breaking up a little bit. Then we're already into the low 70s at that hour. Right now, temperatures in the 60s across the board, mid 60s at that. It's still 64 in Burnet, 66 in Georgetown, 65 in Bastrop, and 63 right now in San Marcos. At Camp Mabry, mostly cloudy skies, 66, partly cloudy, 64 out at the airport. Look at our dew points, low 60s right now. That's a pretty good estimate of where we'll see temperatures fall through the overnight hours. They're not going to fall below this number, so we're going to see temperatures right around 60 degrees early tomorrow morning. Now, winds are still a bit of a breeze out of the south-southeast. It's going to stay right around 10 miles an hour through the overnight hours. Satellite radar shows we had very stubborn cloud cover this morning. It didn't start breaking up to the middle of the afternoon hours. Then we had a couple hours of nice clear conditions, and it's starting to work its way back in now. We're going to expect a morning tomorrow very similar to ones we've seen the past couple of days. But we are already tracking changes to this pattern. Out over the west coast, we have an area of low pressure. You can see that counterclockwise rotation there. This is going to work its way into the Midwest, but it will drop a cold front through Texas on Monday. That's going to help drop our temperatures a little bit, not like an Arctic front would, because this is a Pacific one, but it will drop our temperatures back closer to normal for your Tuesday. Also bring us a little chance for rain on your Monday. So let's go hour by hour through your forecast. For the rest of tonight, overcast conditions by early on your Sunday morning. A little patchy drizzle not out of the question, even during the marathon tomorrow morning. Some patchy fog possible as well. Temperatures low 60s at that time. By noon, skies start to clear a little bit. By the afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy conditions are going to be expected. Temperatures, though, still going to reach the mid 70s. On Monday morning, we're going to see cloud cover again, some patchy drizzle fog, and a 20% chance for rain as our next front moves a little bit closer from the west. It'll move through the Austin area right around the noon hour. Temperatures, though, again on the 70s before that front moves through. Also bringing us that 20% chance for a little bit of rain. Now tonight, here's what you can expect in the hill country, a mid to upper 50s, probably closer to the 60-degree mark there. We're going to be right at or a little bit above the 60-degree mark all the way through our eastern counties tonight. Now tomorrow for your Austin Marathon forecast, starting at 6 a.m., 6 to 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is when the race actually starts. We're going to see temperatures between 60 and 62 degrees. A little bit of light fog, a little bit of drizzle. It's going to feel pretty humid out, and our winds are going to be out of the south, breezier than they have been the past couple of mornings, between 5 and 15 miles an hour. Now by the afternoon, the cloud cover breaks up a little bit. Temperatures will reach the 70s again. It's going to be very comfortable through the evenings tomorrow. Tonight, 60 degrees. Your low in Austin. For tomorrow, mostly cloudy through the afternoon, 74 with winds out of the south 10 to 15 miles an hour. And that 7-day forecast shows again on Monday temperatures in the 70s, a 20% chance for a shower. But behind that Pacific front, look at our temperatures on Tuesday. This is closer to normal for this time of year. Overnight lows in the 40s, afternoon highs in the 60s. That's what we're supposed to see this time of year. But by Wednesday, we're right back into the 70s with a small chance for rain at the end of the week.